Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another hair video, so don't mind how my hair looks right now because it's okay. We're about to do it and get it all under control. So, of course, I made another wig because that's just been working for me right now. So, we're gonna go with that. This is the wig that I made here. Really pretty. Really pretty. This is hair from Nadula. This is their loose deep wave hair. I have 26 inches and I originally had 4 bundles. I only used 3. I did not want a full head of hair. I didn't want too much hair. I feel like lately I've been having a lot of hair and I just want not super thick hair, so this is perfect. Perfect. And I'm gonna try a side part today. So I used a different cap to glue my bundles to. This is what it is. It is a stretch mesh L part wig cap. So it just looks like this. I knew I wanted a side part. And when I make the wig myself, the part is always a little too wide. So I wanted this one because the part is so small, so I'm sure the part will stay real small after I cut it. So yeah, I'm super excited. We're about to try this on. So I'm just gonna put a wig cap on so that none of my hair is in the way. The wig cap isn't really gonna work when I put that wig on, but this is just for us to try it on. So I washed the hair and I just kind of let it air dry. So this is the loose deep waves, really pretty. I kind of don't want to disrupt the natural wave pattern of the hair, so I'm gonna try to blend my hair with it, but y'all know what I'm probably gonna do. My deep wave don't never steer me wrong, so that's what I'm gonna do. And I'm gonna probably do the top of the hair too, so that it kind of like blends in, because that's what I normally do. I'll normally go for like a deep wave or like loose deep wave texture so that I know I can use my deep waver on my crimped iron. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to cut this. So 2 clips in the parting area. Maybe I love myself, I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need myself, fuck my wealth. Tell me what you say now, tell me what you say. You said that you would come again. You said that we would remain friends, but you know that I do not depend on nothing or no one. So why? We're not doing too much. We don't want to put too much heat on our hair. Okay, so here's a little side part. Now we're gonna crimp the hair so that we blend. Okay, so I'm just gonna take like random sections, but I'm not gonna leave this on too long because I don't want like the super defined lines it leaves. I just want a little bit of wave, kind of like that. Okay. And I'm really just taking sections off the top. Kind of like that. So you see how it's blending in. And this is the easiest way for me to blend my hair. I don't like to have to think too much about how I'm going to blend my hair with some extensions, which is why I always go for like a yaki or a kinky straight texture, or I'll just get my hair straightened up all together. But I love this because it's super easy to do. Anybody could do it, honestly, and it doesn't take much time. And you don't have to worry about humidity messing it up because it'll just look even more natural when you're out in the wild. Sorry, I'm trying to look in the mirror because I am in the bathroom. And we're just gonna take this piece here. And that's pretty much it. I could go under to create some more volume because it is really flat at the top. I didn't lay a lot of tracks because I didn't want it to be bulky, but we just curl the hair to fill in the spaces. Okay, so like that. Really easy blend. Is this my hair? It is. Really easy blend. Super cute. Super cute. Okay, so we're just gonna do this side now. Again, not leaving it on too long because I don't want the super defined waves from the clamp. And then I just kind of fluff it out. This hair is super soft. It's super lightweight. Love that. So yeah, like that. That's so cute. Let me do my edges. When I'm doing my edges, I cut the clip because it's way too long. Okay, that's cute. Do this side. I'll probably pull more edges out on this side because it's shorter. But for the sake of the video, we don't have to. Okay, that's all look quick and easy this time. Okay, this is what we're looking like. Really cute. I probably could have used that fourth bundle because the hair is not super thick at all. It's really lightweight. It's not heavy. It's a nice density. I have 26 inches, so this is how long it is on me. A nice little length. I love the curl pattern on the hair, even though it's not like a curl pattern. It's a loose deep wave. It's really cute. Super easy to style. You don't have to do much. As long as you got you one of these, you're good because it just blends right in. I encrypt this piece. But yeah, I also like hair textures that blend easily with mine because then you don't have to do too much And I hate having to do too much, especially when it comes to hair, because that's already like a headache. I be wanting 50 million thousand hairstyles, but I only have one head. So wigs are easy. Wigs are like, you get that quick fix when you want to switch your hair real fast. And I just been loving making my own wigs again, because you get what you want. And it's not pulling on my edges, because y'all know I said those quick weaves was snatching my edges. So I've been using hair oil, which I need to put it down my middle part as well. But yeah, I've been using oil on my edges because they are so thin, like in this area. Real bad. I hate it. Okay, so this is the finished look. I might need to crimp the middle part, but y'all you get it. She's cute. I'll be sure to list all of Nadula's hair information in the info section for you guys if you're interested. I'll also find this wig cap, because love this, super lightweight. And unlike the dome caps that just kind of, they're tight, and then as soon as you cut them, they like stretch out and then they kind of don't fit anymore. This one doesn't do that. So I might start using these, but I don't always need the L part. So, but yeah.